Hi, I am Lemon, and in this video I will show you how to use Clipboard History on Windows 11 to copy and paste multiple items. Let's get started. Normally, when you copy something using Ctrl plus C and paste it with Ctrl plus B, you can only paste the last item that you copied. But there is an option that lets you copy multiple items and paste them whenever you need them. Now open any document, website or file. Select any text and press Ctrl plus C, or right click and choose copy. Repeat the same process and copy a few more items. Now place your cursor where you want to paste something. Instead of pressing Ctrl plus B, press Windows plus B. A clipboard history window will appear, showing the items you have copied recently. Simply click on the item you want to paste, and Windows will insert it instantly. You can keep copying different items and return to any of them later without copying them again. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to use Clipboard History on Windows 11 to copy and paste multiple items more efficiently. If this video helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple and easy to follow tech tutorials.